Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super practical skill that will save you tons of time and headaches: how to add a drop-down column in Smartsheet. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a professional-looking drop-down menu for assigning tasks to specific team members, making your sheets cleaner, easier to update, and less prone to errors. Let's dive right in. Imagine you've got a task list in Smartsheet, and under the Assigned to column, you currently have a handful of names: Anna Lee, James Cruz, Maria Lopez, Robert Diaz, and Sarah Kim. Right now, you might be typing these names in manually for each task. But let's be honest, that leaves plenty of room for typos, inconsistencies, or even assigning a task to someone who isn't actually on your team. That's where the drop-down list really shines. First up, you'll want to right-click the column header for your Assigned to column. Take your time here. Smartsheet's interface is intuitive, but sometimes it's easy to accidentally grab the wrong column, especially if you're working with a lot of data. When you right-click, a menu will appear. You'll want to look for the option labeled Edit Column Properties. Go ahead and select that. This is where you'll start customizing how the column works. Now, among the column types, you'll see several options: text, date, checkbox, and so on. For our goal, you'll select Drop-Down List. Don't rush this part. Changing the column type tells Smartsheet how you want this column to behave for every row, so making the right choice is key. By selecting Drop-Down List, you're basically informing Smartsheet that you want only certain preset values to be allowed in this column, which is amazing for making sure everyone's using the same list of names. Here's a useful tip. Smartsheet gives you a couple of handy features at this stage. You can choose to allow multiple values per cell. Let's pause on this for a second. Sometimes a task might be assigned to more than one person. If that's how your team works, go ahead and check this option. It will let you pick several names from the dropdown for a single task. If not, just leave it unchecked to keep assignments simple and straightforward. Next, you'll see the option to restrict to list values only. This is another important setting. If you leave it unchecked, users could type in any value they want, including misspelled names. But if you want to make sure people can only choose from your specified list, no freelancing, no surprises, definitely check Restrict to List Values Only. This step really helps to maintain consistency and accuracy across your entire sheet. Now comes the fun part: entering your team members' names. Type each name: Anna Lee, James Cruz, Maria Lopez, Robert Diaz, and Sarah Kim into the list. You can add a name per line or however Smartsheet prompts, depending on your version. Think of this like setting up the guest list for a party. You want everyone's name spelled correctly without any stray entries. Take a moment to double-check the spelling here. Remember, what you input now is what everyone will see and select later. Once you've added all the names, hit OK or Save at the bottom of the pop-up. And that's it. Now every cell in your Assigned to column will feature a neat drop-down list, letting you or anyone on your team assign tasks with just a couple of clicks. No more messy data, no more mistaken assignments, and a much smoother workflow overall. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Smartsheet tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials that help you work smarter, not harder. See you next time.